Have you ever felt the need to lower your prices because clients are not asking you for more inquiries, or the clients are not approving your quotation, or because you feel that the market is down, you feel that there is something wrong with the market? Okay, let me explain this to you. If you have this need, please stop. You don't need to lower your prices. The problem is somewhere else. Now, just imagine this. Sometimes you get some inquiries from the client, you make the quotation, and you send it, they don't approve it. Now, the problem is you might think the first thing that will come to your mind is, oh, my prices are maybe high. Maybe my competitor is offering lower prices, but their quality is also good. I am afraid they will get the job, not me. In case you know their names, because most of the times there will be like at least two other people who are also competing on the same project. In Archviz, it doesn't happen that you offer prices for low and you can keep the business running. I will tell you the reasons why. Archviz is not like something you can do like in 2-3 days or maybe in 2-3 hours a day. It is something that requires an effort, that requires really a special skill. What you are doing, Archviz is a premium skill. It's not low quality skill. It's a premium skill. However, because many of artists or Archviz professionals are talking about it at the same time on the same platforms to their same clients, it looks like it is a commodity. However, when it comes to reality, it is a premium service. Now, for all of these reasons, okay, you might feel, okay, the market is down, my clients are not getting back to me, they don't have work, or they have work, they don't want to spend much money, the budget are even tighter than before. Let me lower my prices. Let me give my prices my clients a better price so they are staying with me. You don't need to do it. You need to stop doing this because it has a lot of side negative effects on you, on the market, and on your clients. Let me give it to you. When you lower your prices, number one thing, you send a signal to the client that you don't really value your service. You send a signal to the client that your business is not going well. You send a signal to the client that, you know what, I'm happy to do whatever you want for whatever price you just offer me. Maybe they don't see it, but this is the signal. This is what the signal is saying. Now, I have learned this the hard way. When I started offering my service for $300. Okay. In my eyes, I am someone coming from Syria. I was offering this while I was in Syria. It was too much. Okay. But like the clients were completely happy. My clients were in the Gulf area, one was in the UK. So they were very happy. Another one was in Qatar. They said, yeah, of course, let's do it. It's 300. And at some point, I discovered, you know what, the price should be more. And I couldn't raise it. I got this question, okay, we are all the time paying 300 per image. Why should we pay more now? Right? The quality is the same. We are always sending you work, and you should give us discounts for that. See, like they have learned how to get the price down. And basically, it's not their fault, it's my fault. I have been training them for a long time to lower my price, you see. And most of the times I was giving something for free, like 1 or 2 images, depending on the project. That was completely wrong. Until I got one client, he told me, Anis, I don't want you to give me a price per image. I want you to give me a price per project. And the project was 3 images. And I said, you know what, this project is big. Let's give it a price because I am really sick from the old clients. That new price was $4,000 for 3 images. They said, okay, let's do it. I get paid upfront. Do you see that? And they saw it as a no-brainer deal for them, you see? Okay, that was old times. That was 2009 somehow. Now it is different. But can you imagine the evolvement of the price from 2009 until 2024, we have it's like 15 years. And 15 years, I mean, can speak for myself, everything has doubled or maybe tripled. And your prices, I can see people today offering their Archviz for 200 or 100 euros. I mean, even 600, even anything lower than 1,000 is really low. And when you offer your prices very low, you get more work. You feel like, yeah, it sounds reasonable. Yeah, okay, I'm getting more work, yes. But it means you are going to be overwhelmed with work. Being overwhelmed with work, it means you don't have time to market your service. Look for new clients. Work on the business. Is my business model profitable? You cannot even work with higher quality freelancers to give you better quality because you cannot pay them. And lowering your prices is always bad because it feels like the perception of the business is not really high. Premium clients like to pay premium prices because of one big reason. Of course, they need the quality. Of course, you need to finish on time, but they need the guarantee that you will do the work as they want, okay, as they wish, and they will listen to your advice when they will give you the task or the project. And you need to imagine, by lowering your prices, you are missing out on those premium clients. It doesn't happen that you get a premium client for low price. This does not really come together. And by having lower prices, you are also signaling to the market, hey, look, I'm lowering my prices. You are triggering someone else to lower their prices. And it doesn't really matter how low your price is. You will find someone who is offering their prices for lower than what you are offering. So it's better if you start differentiating yourself with the price. And the price usually in Archviz is not the issue. Okay, the budget is an issue, of course. I mean, the money is an issue always in sales. However, in this case, we are working in the real estate. Okay, you are doing an image for a building that is going to be sold for more than 1 million euros. I'm talking about Europe. Okay, in the US, it's going to be the same. Any English country is going to be the same. Even in Saudi Arabia or in the Gulf area, it's going to be similar. Okay, go to the websites where you have listing for houses. Okay, just look to the prices. It's open. You can see it. You don't need me to tell you this. And you are making an image for less than 1,000 US dollars for this house that is going to be sold at least for 3 and 4 million. Some penthouses are going to be sold more than 20 million. Okay, I mean, I'm not telling you, I'm not over exaggerating. This is the real estate market. And once you look to those prices, you can figure out the effect of your Archviz on the sales process. And by having this, you come to the conclusion saying, you know what, I really bring a lot of value to the table with the client. It means my prices and my service should reflect this value. Just by starting to switch the conversation between lowering my prices and looking to the real value you are bringing, you will start thinking about something different. You will start looking, okay, what are the gaps in my business that are holding the clients back from working with me? Maybe it could be my marketing. It could be the image I am sending out to people. Maybe it could be the images, the types of images I'm doing. Okay, it could be the style I'm doing. It could be something else. I mean, you need to look into it. And sometimes when you are in the frame, you cannot see the full picture. That's why there are some services like business coaching, like my service, who are going to look into the business and find the problems and fix those problems so you have everything streamlined. So next time when you think about increasing or lowering your prices, you need always to start with the type of clients you are working with, what value you are offering them for their type of projects, and then go back and price your service. Now, Anis, I hear you. I have clients. They are loyal clients. It's going bad for them now. and I feel like I need to lower my prices only for them. Cool. Keep your prices up and always increase your prices. Always increase them every year, at least 5 to 10%. When they have a bad time and they share this with you, and always need to have a conversation with the client. Always. And you need to, like, if you can switch the relationship between you and the client to you and the friend, that's perfect. If they share with you that the market is down, they don't have the budgets for the visuals, can we work on the price? You can always say, yes, I can give you a special discount or a special deal, but we need to compromise on 1, 2, 3 that you always get. Or maybe you don't need to compromise. You can give them a special discount only for these times. But they keep in mind that your price has not really changed. This is one. And for all the clients like those, you cannot just simply say, hey, look, I'm just increased the price 30%. Okay, you are offering them 600 US dollars or maybe 600 euros, and out of the sudden, you are offering them 1,000 for no reason. There should be a reason. The first question they will ask you, we are always paying this. You are getting this type of visuals. Now it's the same quality. There is no reason to this increase. Now let me know what is the reason. You cannot find an argument. That's why increase your prices on a continuous basis, 6 months to 1 year, so that you don't really get to a place after 3 years saying, oh, you know what? I really feel like I deserve more. I mean, my quality is improving, but like I deserve more. Increasing this price, like a small amount of increase every year, it's better than having this like 30 or 40% increase at one time. Plus, you need not to forget that those clients are loyal clients. They always come to you. They were not on the lookout for new Archviz people to replace you. And they help you in the business. They help you keep the business running. It means they deserve some reward from your side because they stayed with you all this time. Now, if you are introducing a new service, now it makes sense to increase the price for that service. And also for early adopters, the first 3 clients, they always get a new special price. I hope that in this argument, it's not like an official video, it's like an argument. I heard a lot, we need to lower the prices, the market is down. And if you are really looking for a sustainable way of how to grow the business, not by lowering your prices, by getting better clients, having better marketing, more authentic marketing, and having a very, I would say, converting sales process, you can contact me on LinkedIn or here on YouTube, and I'm happy to help you. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.